Hey guys, Matt Moore here over at Easy Auto Spa, and we are proud to announce that we are offering a Ceramic 101 training course. This course is designed with existing paintless dent repair and collision techs in mind. These are technicians that already have a foot in the industry, already have a market share, already have clients, but are looking to add additional services. They want to scale their business, they want to bring on employees, maybe they're opening a shop, and they know that without hail, it's hard to do it one ding at a time. So ceramic coating and paint correction is such a perfect fit for our business, and we think it's a good fit for a lot of businesses. So we've opened our doors, we're opening our doors to our process, we're talking about how we price things, we're talking about the exact tools and techniques that we use. My technicians are gonna be working hands-on with every single tech that comes in for the training. I'm gonna be here personally to work hands-on with how we sell it, how we cross-sell and upsell to existing clients, and also how we handle walk-ins, even down to our SEO and our marketing. If you're interested in learning about ceramic coating, about paint correction, about maybe how to add this to your shop, we'd love to host you. We'd love to have you as part of our future trainings. Feel free to give me a call, hit us up on Facebook or right on our website. We'd love to have you out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have an awesome day.